Look at their drivetrain. This deserves a 6-minute video. Did you see this bell? Same. My hands are shaking from holding it too high. I'm probably just weak. Oh, look at that angle. Beautiful. I don't know why I'm recording this. Hey Ryan, did you leave? Shit. Oh. Sir, how do I get in? Okay. Ooh, hot. This, you have that, you have that, you have that. Oh, lag. Shouldn't be recording 4K 60 this long. It's just so hot. Yes, sir. Oh, look at that flex. Hard flex. Do you guys have number 2? Bet not. There's only one number 2. And then, beautiful. I'm probably gonna get kicked out because there's people walking by. Please don't kick me out, sirs. I'm innocent. Ooh, look at that pocketing, sirs. Very hot. Very hot. I don't want to go too inside. They'll probably think I broke the robot. Look at that chain. 25 arm. Very hot. Oh, very whack. Very whack. On both sides, of course. Gotta be extra. Can't win if you're not extra. Clearly. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.